QUBT stock analysis and QUBT stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space has done over 42,000 videos over 5 years. And I'm not just telling you just to tell you. It's actually happened, you know. I've documented everything. I'm like literally on the bleeding edge of buying more, and all I'm waiting for is this second break. I've already gotten the first one, which I'm actually very happy about. Let's freaking go. But the second one must happen above 17.50 cents, right? $17.50. And I guess if they do get that, then the whole swing idea is going to be here. And not only the swing idea, then intraday trades can all be also biased towards this long side. You know what I mean? So zooming out, you will see here that I had this at 15 bucks when I made this prediction, and since then it's been just Gucci. You know, I've been buying this quite like religiously, honestly, and it's been just delivering. And not just here with QUBT. This is where it ultimately began, when it was 7 bucks, right? And now we're at 17. Came a long way, and I'm looking to take it even further higher. So that's where we are. I have so many previous receipts with QUBT. And yeah, if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10k per month, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails on Insight. See you in the next one.